Hello dear students and viewers. Today I have published a new video for the students, those who are staying at home during this contaminated COVID-19 period. Most of the students and learners are staying at home. They are suffering from mental depression. So I want to help them, and as a result I am going to publish my videos relating to English grammar, especially narration, voice sense and direct speech into indirect speech, along with degrees of comparison, positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Most of the students do not have the chance to go to their respective educational institutions, schools and colleges. So my video will be helpful to them, needs no telling. I have already published many videos relating to narration, direct speech and indirect speech. Today I am going to practice some sentences. Let us discuss the sentence and solve the problems. Direct speech. The coach said to the players, "Do you want to play the game during this pandemic period?" This is interrogative sentence, and verb said to past tense. If the reporting verb past tense, the reported speech will be correspondent past tense. Reported speech within bracket, it is called reported speech, and said to reporting verb. You must know it. You should remember reporting verb and reported speech. The coach said to the players, "Do you want to play the game during this pandemic period?" The coach asked the players if or whether they wanted to play the game during that pandemic period. We know that if the reporting verb is past tense, reported speech will be correspondent past tense. Present indefinite will be past indefinite. Okay. If there is no WH, who is, what, whom, where, how, whose, interrogative pronoun is, yes, this interrogative pronoun will be a relative pronoun in respect of indirect speech. If there is no interrogative pronoun, there will be if or whether as conjunction, a relative pronoun in the indirect speech. There will be if or whether conjunction. Okay, next. You must remember the sentence will be always assertive sentence. Interrogative, note of interrogation will be omitted. There will be full stop at the end of the sentence. Direct speech. The man said to them, "Let us start our discussion." Let us is, if let refers to propose or proposal, there will be let will be changed into should, and reporting verb said will be proposed. The man proposed that they should start their discussion. Our discussion, our first person will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb, the man. The man, third person, our first person, our plural number, the man, plural number, third person, their, TICIR, possessive case, our possessive case, their possessive case. Okay. What will be? The man proposed that they should start their discussion. 3. Number 3. Direct speech. The old man said to his wife, "Walk slowly and look forward." The old man said to his wife, "Walk slowly and look forward." The old man told or advised his wife to walk slowly and to look forward. We know that if the sentence is imperative sentence, there will be two infinitive as conjunction, and said to will be changed into told, advised, requested, ordered, commanded, according to the sense and meaning of the sentence. Okay. The old man told or advised his wife to walk slowly and to look forward. Number 4. Direct speech. Mirzapur Ali Khan said to Nawab Shazdola, "Please stop fighting now against the English Act policy. Mir Jafar Ali Khan said to Nawab Sirajuddaula, please stop fighting now against the English Act policy. We must know the history of policy, the war of policy, which was occurred between the battle of Nawab Sirajuddaula and the Ingrej. There is a conspiracy. Mir Jafar Ali Khan said to Nawab Sirajuddaula, please stop fighting now against the English Act policy. Mir Jafar Ali Khan requested Nawab Sirajuddaula to stop fighting against the English Act policy. It is also imperative sentence. There is please, so said to will be changed into requested, and there will be to as conjunction to stop fighting against the English Act policy. Okay, what will be? Mir Jafar Ali Khan requested Nawab Sirajuddaula to stop fighting against the English Act policy. Number 5, direct speech. The young man said to them, let me walk now. I have already yellow marked and red font, let us and let me. Let us, let me. Let us, let me. You must look at the sentence number 2 and number 5. Number 2 and number 5. Let us. If let us refers to let refers to propose or proposal, there will be let will be changed into should. Should. Mark it and look at the word. I am going to yellow mark and red font. Okay. Let will be should. If let, number 5, if let refers to request, let will be changed into might be allowed to. Okay. What will be? Might be allowed to. You must look at this word, might be allowed to. I have already yellow marked here. Look at this sentence, number 5 and 2. Let, should and let might be allowed to. If let refers to proposal, verb will be proposed and let will be should. Here let, verb will be requested or told, let will be might be allowed to if let refers to request. If let means request, let will be might be allowed to. If let means proposal, let will be should. Okay. So what will be? The young man said to them, let me walk now. The young man told or requested them that he might be allowed to walk alone. Walk alone, might be allowed to walk alone. Again, the young man said to them, let me walk alone. The young man said, requested or told them that he might be allowed to walk alone. Okay. So dear students, if you follow my video regularly, which I have published for you chronologically through my YouTube channel, Kokan Mandal YouTube channel or K Mandal YouTube channel, you can search your YouTube channel. You will find the videos, a lot of videos, a series of videos which I have published for the students relating to English grammar, voice change, narration, changing of sentences, positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree, etc. Most of the students are weak in English. If they practice at home, I hope that they will be efficient in English, needs no telling. I wish you every success in life. May God bless you. No more today. Thank you all.